Welcome, traders. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the MVA Dashboard Indicator for MT4. The MVA Dashboard Indicator is a versatile tool designed to give traders a comprehensive view of the current market conditions. The indicator's dashboard is structured as a table that shows the trend for each selected trading pair across different timeframes. Green arrows indicate an uptrend, while red arrows signify a downtrend, allowing you to instantly gauge market direction. Using the MVA Dashboard Indicator is straightforward. Begin by assessing the trends shown by the green and red arrows to identify the overall market direction across your chosen timeframes. Then, cross-reference this with the MA and MACD values to confirm potential trade setups. The indicator comes with several important settings that you should be aware of. The first is Comment 0, which allows you to specify the MA calculation method, tailoring it to your trading style. Next is Comment 1, where you can adjust the trend calculation settings. Finally, the Pairs setting lets you choose which currency pairs you want to monitor on the dashboard. You can download this indicator from the link in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.